You've seen pork tenderloin before, but not like this. It's seared golden, finished in a velvety Dijon cream sauce, and somehow still a one-pan recipe. This is one of those dishes that makes people think you spent hours, but it's on the table in under 40 minutes. All right, we're starting with 2 pork tenderloins. That's about 2.75 pounds total. Give them a good pat down with some paper towels to help them sear better later, and then trim off that silver skin. It's that thin, shiny layer that doesn't break down when you cook. So just slide your knife under it and work it off gently. Now let's throw together a quick spice rub. Just mix half a tablespoon each of coarse sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme and oregano, plus a teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. Simple, but it brings a ton of flavor. Rub the spice mix all over the pork, taking your time to get into every curve and edge. You want that seasoning to really stick before it hits the pan. Before we cook the pork, let's quickly mix the sauce. In a bowl, whisk together half a cup Dijon mustard, quarter cup honey, half a tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a large oven-safe pan over medium heat. Give it a minute to get hot. You want the pork to sizzle as soon as it hits the pan. Carefully place the tenderloins in and sear for about 3 minutes on each wide side. Don't move them around too much. Just let that crust develop. Once both sides are golden and nicely browned, go ahead and take them out of the pan and set them aside for now. In the same pan, lower the heat and add 1 diced shallot. Cook it for about 4 minutes, stirring often and scraping up those golden bits from the bottom. That's where all the flavor is. Then pour in 1/2 cup of chicken broth to deglaze the pan, and keep scraping as it simmers for another 3 minutes. Pour in 1/4 cup of heavy cream and let it cook for about a minute. Then add the mustard honey mixture we made earlier. Whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth, and let it simmer for about 2 minutes to bring all the flavors together. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pork back into the pan, spoon some of that sauce over the top, and transfer the whole thing to the oven. Let it bake for about 25 minutes. While that bakes, the sauce is going to thicken and soak into the pork. Trust me, it smells insane already. Once it hits 145 degrees Fahrenheit inside, we'll pull it out, let it rest, and slice into something seriously good. Yeah, forgot the handle's been in a 400-degree oven. Rookie move. Let the pork rest for 5 to 10 minutes so the juices stay in when you slice it. In the meantime, pour the sauce into a bowl or serving dish. Then slice up the pork. Pour some of that creamy Dijon sauce right over the top, and finish with fresh thyme and parsley. Serve the rest of the sauce on the side. Everyone's going to want extra. If you're still here, thanks for cooking with me. Seriously, if you want the full written version of this recipe or you're just hungry for more, there are thousands waiting for you over at cookingfrog.com. And if you like this video, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you know. Leave a comment too. I read them all, and I love hearing what you make or tweak. See you in the next one.